Hi guys, it's Rella Max. Welcome back to my channel. We join me here at Porsche St. Paul to review another car. Now this one here is the 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. This is a sports car, a track-specific, purposely built car, and we'll take a walk around and see what's nice about this car, and also the carbon fiber packages this car comes with, the Weissach Package. So we'll take a look at that as well. Go around the outside and take a look at it as well as the inside. So follow me in this walk around and we'll see what's good about this car. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that like and subscribe for more videos. All right, let's check it out. All right guys, so take a look at it. You can see how wide and low this car is. Now this one here is a GT2 RS 2018. This is a track focused car, so that's why you can see how wide and low this car is. Take a look at this front splitter. It's got the GT2 RS right on it as well, which is really nice touch to that. But it's a very huge wide splitter, front splitter, which helps in the downforce of the car. And also for the cooling of the car, you can see how wide these intakes are. So one on the right over here, and also in the front right here. Huge air intakes, which helps cool the car, especially when you're on the track. And also it has a front axle lift system, which helps the front of the car lift up if you're going over bumps. So really nice touch to that. Really nice touch to that. Very wide front end right here, and also a huge cooling system for this car. Now going over to the hood of the car. Now this one is all carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber with a red stripe right on it, and also it's got the ducts, which helps direct air into the brake system to cool the brake system, especially if you're on a high speed or in the track. That'll help. This will suck a lot of air in, which will help cool the brake system of the car. And also if you take a look at the badge, this is not the metallic badge right here. This one here is a sticker, the Porsche sticker badge, which also reduces the weight of the car, overall weight of the car. I think about 0.4 ounces of the weight of the car. So that's a really nice touch to this car, especially if they're really trying to reduce weight. So that reduces the weight of the car. And also take a look at this here, carbon fiber, which deflects air over the car as well. And also down over here, it's got the daytime running light, and also with the turn signal as well. So everything's all integrated nicely in this car. And for the paint of this car, this is the guards red paint, and also with the exposed carbon fiber around the hood and also on the rooftop. So really nice touch to it. The red paint just really makes this car aggressive. So guys, let me know what you feel about the front of the car, especially. Looking at how wide and low this car is. Aerodynamic package in this car is just huge. Front splitter, huge. Helps with the downforce of the car. So let me know what you guys feel overall of the front of the car. Ducts, which helps cool the brake system of this car, especially when you're in the track. All right guys, so take a look at the side profile of this car. Very aggressive. And also we'll take a look at this wheel here. Now this one here comes with 20-inch wheel, and also this wheel is magnesium, which helps reduce the weight of the car overall. And also this front tire here is 265, so a very wide track, but the back is even wider. So we'll go over to the back, but this one here is 265, very wide track for the front, and also it's got the carbon ceramic brake system with yellow caliper. So very nice profile here. And also let me know what you guys feel about it. The satin black color of the wheel and the red guard rail paint of the car. So to help with the downforce of the car, this one here comes with carbon fiber fender vent, which sucks out the air around this wheel well, which helps with the downforce of the car. So let me know what you guys feel about that. Black satin wheel with the red paint. This whole profile here, let me know what you guys feel about it. Huge brake system, especially again. This is a track focus car, which will help with the stopping power of the car. So ceramic brake system, huge right there. So you guys, let me know what you guys feel about it. Going over to the side here, it's got a huge side skirt, and also it's got the GT2 RS sign right there. Don't miss this car. And also it's very wide as well. Now looking at the mirror cap as well, carbon fiber mirror cap. So everything in this car is to reduce weight. So everything here is like this one here is carbon fiber. The hood as well, as we talked about, carbon fiber, and also the roof of the car, carbon fiber. So everything in this car is just to reduce weight. So going towards the back here, this one here is a carbon fiber side body intake, which sucks in air to cool the engine. So everything again, carbon fiber, helps reduce the overall weight of the car. So nice touch to that. Now going over to the rear of the car. Now this one here is a 21-inch magnesium wheel with a central cap in it. This is a very massive tire right here. The width of this one is 325. Very huge, massive tire right here with the, again, carbon ceramic brake system with the yellow caliper. I need to point out this one here is only a rear wheel drive, so you could do a lot of craziness in this car. All right, guys, so going over to the rear of the car. Now, one thing really sticks out in the rear here, which is this huge rear spoiler, and also it's all carbon fiber with the Porsche written on it as well. This is massive for a road legal car. I mean, you could have lunch with this thing here. Take a look at it. It's really massive. And also this helps with the downforce of the car. So especially if you're going out on the track, this will keep the car planted on the ground basically. So I really like how this is it's very wide as well. I mean from end to end basically. So let me know what you guys feel about it. And also it's got the GT2 RS written right over here as well with the rear tail lights. You can see that rear tail lights. And also going down to the bottom here, it's all painted in black. It's not carbon fiber though, and also it's got the exhaust system here. We'll turn the car on so you can hear how loud this thing is. It's pretty loud, so we'll take a listen to that as well. But let me know what you guys feel about it, especially with this huge rear spoiler. I mean, you can pose with this as well. But it is massive, helps with the downforce of the car. So imagine being in the track with this thing. Now this GT2 RS comes with a Weissach package, which reduces the overall weight of this car by 40 pounds, and also that costs about $31,000. So the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber rooftop, and also the carbon fiber rear spoiler. So that all comes in the Weissach package, which reduces the weight of the car with the magnesium wheels as well. That reduces the overall weight of the car. So very, very expensive package. Now for the engine of the car, now we all know the engine is right on the rear here, which even if you open this, you cannot get or see the engine bay, but this is where the engine is. And also it's got the carbon fiber cover right over here as well. Now for the engine of this car, now this one here is a 3.8 liter flat six engine with 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, and also for the power it's got 700 horsepower with 553 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in about 2.7 seconds. That is immensely fast, and a top speed of 211 miles an hour. So imagine going down a track, top speed of 211 miles an hour, 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. This is a very fast car. Huge rear spoiler here will keep the car planted to the ground. This is limitless right here. You could take this car on the track and just do whatever you want to do with this car. So I would really enjoy driving this thing here. All right, guys, so looking at the interior of this car, the first thing I want to point out is carbon fiber everywhere. I mean, the steering wheel, the dashboard panel over here, and also the door panel, you can see carbon fiber everywhere. And another thing I want to point out is this carbon fiber bucket seats. I mean, this thing is tight. It hugs you, especially if you're going around corners. I mean, there's not a lot of wiggle room here. It hugs you, keeps you right in the seat. So, and also very rigid. And also like the interior color of this car, black and red with red stitching everywhere. Even the seat belt is red. So very nice little touches to it that make this car just look really nice in the interior. And also again, everything in this car is to reduce weight. Even the door release right here is not like the traditional handle. It's got the strap here, right here. It's got the strap to release the door. So very, very nice touch to that. And also black and red with the carbon fiber on the door as well. So the focus on this car is to reduce weight. So it's got a lot of carbon fiber in the interior. It's got the carbon fiber steering wheel and also the carbon fiber paddle shifters. And looking at the overall trim of the car, it's got the carbon fiber on the left side here, where you have the light control system here and the start-stop switch here. On the right side, it's got the carbon fiber right over here as well, with the Weissach RS plaque on it. And once you press this button right here, that also releases this section here. You could bring out the cup holders. So you pull that like that. It's got the cup holders right there. So we'll go ahead and put that back in there. And if you look over here, it's got the Weissach RS plaque right there. So really nice touch to this. So you know this one here has the Weissach package here. And if you look over to the seats here, it's got the Weissach RS right there as well, with the track stitched right on there as well. Really, really nice touch to this here. Now going over to the center console here, infotainment system, not really huge as well. So once you like kind of put your hand close to it, it'll light up so you can select wherever you want to go. And going down to the bottom here, you could have the tuner, the media, the navigation buttons here, and also the source. Now looking at the center console, you can see here, it's got the carbon fiber right on it as well. And down here, it's got a few buttons. So it's got the hazard warning button here, as well as the lock and unlock buttons. And down on the left side here, it's got the PDK Sports button right here, as well as the damper button, traction controls, as well as the lift system for this car. And also it's got the exhaust button here, which you could close and open, which gives you that awesome sound. So nice touch to this here. Red and black stitching everywhere. It's got the roll cage especially if you're going to take this car on the track, you need this roll cage. And also this is with the Weissach package. Now looking at the dashboard, it only has one section which has the digital section, but the rest is all analog. So on the left side here, it's got the temperature gauges as well as the speedometer on the left here. Right in the center here is the RPM gauge, which is really huge. You cannot miss that. And also that revs up to 7,000 RPM. So really crazy there. So I really like how this is set up. Very track focused. There's not a lot of buttons, especially on the steering wheel where you want to fiddle around. Everything is just for you to, it's just made for you to drive. And we'll go ahead and start this car so you can hear how this car sounds. So here's the key. I like how this is also red and black. So you turn this, so you put this on the left side here and start it. So overall, let me know what you guys feel about this car, especially with the exterior paint. The car's red with the exposed carbon fiber in the hood and also in the rooftop. This one here comes with the NACA duct, which helps with the braking, which helps with the cooling of the brake system in this car. And it's got the adaptive dampers as well, so you can drive this anywhere. Track, hardened, stiff suspension, or on the streets, you know, you can make it soft, and you could enjoy it. You can enjoy a ride. So I mean, you could probably daily this car if you can. You can daily this car, it's not probably. You can daily this car because of the adaptive suspension as well. So let me know what you guys feel about this, what you'd like to do with this car. Take it on the track every day, or, you know, hybrid, driving a track or on the street, whatever you guys want to do. So, and also with the carbon fiber bucket seats, I mean, this thing just keeps you planted in the seat. You can't really move around. So the red color, the guard's red, it is very attractive. Low to the ground as well. I mean, it's probably got about 3 to 4 inches clearance right here. That's why it's got the lift system to help lift the car up when you're approaching a bump or any bump on the road. So that's cool right there, the front axle lift system. Really important feature in this car. So let me know what you guys feel about it. Again, thanks a lot for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.